Sup guys, today we are making slime.
Let me see my chair.
So we gotta pour all the slime, okay guys? Oh crap, Saber found this idea. So you do laundry detergent and glue. Me and Saber were already pouring glue, we forgot to do our video. So yeah, Saber doing her video on her phone, on her YouTube channel. I'm right now doing mine. Okay, so now what do we do, Saber, after we put the glue in?
Laundry detergent.
Okay, so how much of it?
It's till it makes a slime.
Okay,
you gotta stir
guys,
it in
check
too.
it out. Whoa. So you don't put too much
And
of
all
it,
the
so
liquidy, you don't. You'll, and if there's still some left, all you really need to do is pour all the liquidy stuff out.
okay, guys, let me just stir. Check it out. It's going cool already.
Into a lovely bowl.
Where'd you see this at?
I didn't see it anywhere. I made slime like this. That's how me and Phelan made it. Anyways, Phelan's not here because she couldn't make it. And this slime is a little bit sticky, and it is sticky at first, just so you know. You don't have to put color in it if you don't want to, because we don't have any food coloring either. But we wish we did. That's the problem. Anyways, you have your slime, and it's kind of sticky. Kind of, though. You just need to knead it, though. And you'll wring all that nasty crap out. It's kind of not sticky anymore. You just need to knead it. It kind of has a lot of soap in it, so you have to let it drain.
Okay, guys, look at that glue.
It's really stretchy, and we just need to let it sit so the glue, not the glue, but the stuff can get out of the slime, like the soap. See, as you can see, it's kind of sticky, and yeah, it's getting even stickier. So what you need to do is, if there's still some in your bowl, you might want to get it.
Okay.
By the way, you might want to like and subscribe and tell me how the slime worked out, because I know this is real slime.
Yeah, same with me, guys. Tell me how this filled out, because right now mine's feeling sticky.
And I will be changing my name on here, and it's probably going to be Dog Lover.
Oh my god, it's getting sticky.
I know. And the laundry detergent actually, see, there's even a bubble in. It's getting sticky for a reason. That's why you just need to knead it. Knead it and knead it, even if it's...
Before it's what? Times.
I don't know what I was saying. Okay, like when you put the laundry detergent in, it gets that color in there, but like a light color, that color. We put blue in because that's a good color, and there's bubbles, and as you can see, it's pretty stretchy.
Yeah, guys, check that out. Whoa. Oh my, whoa. Oh my god.
It doesn't smell.
I ain't touching you guys until I wash my hand, because I am not getting my phone moved.
Look how freaking stretchy this crap is.
Holy moly.
You guys need to try this method out.
Is that more? Is that...
Just watch me stretch.
Oh my god, some of my glue got stuck.
And I hope you guys enjoy this video, because this is it's not even sticky like we first started making the slime like this.
Mine is.
Mine isn't.
It kind of is. It's getting all over me.
You gotta knead it. Just listen. It's better than the last one that we made and that me and Zaylin made, but we did not post the video. We didn't even have a video though.
Only that one.
The only one though, which was the Tiki challenge.
Yeah, but the shirt's on. So yeah.
Yeah, we did show our slime.
This is I haven't got to make a video in forever, and I'm using their Wi-Fi. So yeah, this is a video, finally. And then there's a new game, guys. Go check it out. It's called Creating and Building. Downloading is so fun. If you want to join some friends, you guys figure out how to do it. Please comment down below. Tell me and Sabra how you guys do that.
Add friends.
Yeah, add friends.
On crafting and building.
Yeah, because me and her just can't add friends. Can't, and we've tried and tried. Last night her head almost blew off because she got so mad. Like, my ears almost popped off.
Yes, because I do have anger problems.
Yeah, she has anger problems. Guys, do not make her mad. Do not even text me in comments. Only if you're joking around, okay?
Yeah, you could joke.
But if you don't put JK, like, just keep messing around and keep doing it. Oh, yeah, you're going to have some problems on. Oh, yeah, mine's not that sticky no more.
Mine.
Whoa, gosh. Guys, look at that.
It's so stretchy and awesome, dude.
Here, let me just throw this up.
It's kind of sticky though, kinda, because you gotta need it. Make sure you like and subscribe on these videos because we love posting videos. I actually haven't posted videos in a long time except for the weekend before. And
you have another video, but this is that was my old video. That was my mom's boyfriend's phone. So guys can watch it and still like it, but I don't do those videos no more. I just do this phone, okay guys. I made you like the phone, so don't worry.
Just don't worry, because we will be making videos every weekend.
Yeah, maybe if we come every weekend. Or even on school days.
Yes. But I have another YouTube channel. It's called Sabra.
What phone is that?
My iPhone.
Your grandma's?
No, mine.
Yeah, your grandma. I meant you and your grandma. Yeah, your grandma likes to take it a lot. Yeah.
Anyways, you can even make a slime and have some left. But you probably need like a teaspoonful to make a slime. I mean, probably this is way better than mine and Phelan's that we made last night. Look how stretchy this is. Hers wasn't this stretchy.
Yeah, I think we accidentally put too much on each other. But it's perfect because we can make it super duper stretchy.
Like, stretch. Oh my gosh. It's so satisfying for some reason.
Yeah, it is.
I love it. Like, even when I do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And, like we said, please tell us the crafting and building thing, because we really need to know it. Make sure you say bye, Precious, and make sure you comment down below the video. And I'm Precious Ellington.
No, that was on different. No, this is on baking and cooking, something like that. I have to check, guys. But you guys should know if you guys watch this video, right? So yeah, okay, guys. But my other video, just a family video, you guys can watch it. But really don't. It's kind of weird.
Have a good day.
Okay.
And I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.